What's up, guys, and welcome back. It is our big day today. I'm not by myself. We got Butters, aka Mana. We're going fishing today, and we were planning on going to that other spot where Mano's catching the load of crab. But we found out that the surf is super heavy, so we gotta make adjustments. You know, just like what Floyd Mayweather said, every champion needs to learn how to make adjustments. Last night we went to grab some bait because we were planning on doing some, you know, cliffside fishing. But since the surf is up, we gotta take out the Zodiac, boy. Look at that. Let's go. We're sending on the Civic. This is gonna be my very first time doing any kind of open water or on a boat or any kind of Zodiac fishing. Yeah, I never did a kayak fish or at all. For those of you who haven't been here before, we do adventure vlogs throughout the state of Hawaii. We do a lot of hiking, a lot of fishing, we do a little bit of hunting, and we're gonna do some rappelling, that's for sure. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you know when I post another video. Holy shit, just send it on the Civic. This is how you do it, boys. You just throw it on the Civic, full send. Let's go. Zodi on the roof.
On the Civic.
On the
size, you know, like if it flips, probably flip the whole.
See, bro, some people get surf racks from surfboards. You get surf racks for Zodiacs. Gee! Right. Fudge! Your boy forgot the bait. Okay, I spent like an hour yesterday preparing the calamari. I put the shrimp in there, it's all salted, ready to go, and forgot it. Unfortunate. So go ahead and subscribe, guys. We went last night and got some bait for ourselves, but that calamari was, you know, I made it for a reason. What the fudge? There we go, everything is loaded. I'm so stoked, never did this before. Today's my lucky day. So are we in there? Or are we in there? Send it off the Civic. Look at this, dude, we're blessed. Okay. Look at the Kohala Mountain right up there, right there. We got a little sun hat.
It's working.
You got him?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Mana's sending out our first skirt. Skirt, skirt. So as we're getting to our next spot, we're gonna do a little bit of trolling, and I'm holding the pole. It's kind of hard to vlog and keep track of your cameras and the fishing at the same time. This hair is mean, huh? We're at our destination. We're probably just gonna send out the crab at a very low depth. Like I said, I'm not much of a open water fisherman. Send it down and hopefully we catch something. Let's go, guys. So we just seen a paddle school.
What do I have? Gold.
Got this.
Gold, I got some streamer.
So probably gonna drop some mullet instead.
Wow. With the classic.
That is Opelu.
Yeah, that's Opelu right there. Look, okay, mark them. They're in the current break. They're gonna disappear just as fast as we see them.
There's a bunch of whales out here and they're making a lot of noise.
See, it's weird. Opelu are just like that. So like,
In and out.
yep.
See this, boys and girls, I'm gonna full send off the Civic. The force shall be with me. We got a Penn Battle 2 6000. This boy ain't gonna break. Whatever I catch, hopefully she go. All right, mahui ho, malama pono. Aloha. Oh, slop and stuck. Oh, there we go. What we do right now is sit and wait.
Like this too sometimes. Look.
The leg set. Probably about 100 feet down. Dropping this baby mullet all the way. Oh, let's go.
Fish on.
Let's go. Hey, what is this?
Wrasse. I call him Slimer.
Slime. I like that. Hey, we caught something. Let's go, boys and girls. Yeah. Check it out, guys. Yeah, it looks like it's some kind of wrasse. I know there's some wrasses in Hawaii that are endemic, but this is a beautiful guy. First time seeing a red one like this. Oh, can you see it? Yeah, there we go.
We're officially not skunked.
And away it goes. Next, I'm gonna drop a crab. That mullet worked. That's a good sign. Right there. Are we moving? Shoot. Oh, Opelu, dude.
Where?
I think it's Opelu right below us. Right there, it's right below us, bro. It's Opelu. Guaranteed,
Where?
right below us.
Oh, yes,
right below us.
yes.
That's all you, bro.
Yes.
That's all you. Something hit the crab. It's a good sign. At least something's out there. This is all what's left of the crab. Crab on the hook. Let's go.
You missed, huh?
Ah, yeah, I missed it.
You gotta set
I gotta-
that fucker. That was something good.
Yeah, I got
Not too many things bite crab. Only good stuff do.
You heard that, huh?
Oh yeah, Dre, you missed it.
Opelu.
Yep. Oh, got one.
Yes, sir, boy. Nice. There we go. Monagon Opelu. Show him to the cam bam.
Okay. This is the king of all baits. Yeah, this is fresh bait, man.
Check it out, man. I just caught an Opelu. These things are awesome if it's dried. Asia.
Also known as a scad.
SCAD, right? Nice job.
Get more of those.
Shoot. I got my damashi ready to go.
Oh, here they are. Here they are. Got them. Got one.
Another one.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Dre right here. Oh, palu. Let's just catch a bunch of these for dinner right here, too. Guess what? That was my first opelu I ever did catch on my boat and on a damashi. Oh, they dug out, yeah, just as quick as they left.
Yeah, dude, they came in and they left. They're like, 2 of my boys is gone. We're fucking out of here. Battery's gonna die. So fish, you gotta hurry up and bite them.
Man, I can't believe you got slammed on that fucking minnow first thing.
Score, dude.
Oh, what the f is this, Dre?
What is that?
Look the
Opelu. Kava kava.
I don't know.
Kava kava. Oh, I see him. I see him. Oh, it's chasing your stuff.
Yeah, looking at my opelu. He wants crab.
I seen him. Dude, that was, could be on.
It really did look like a kava kava. Oh, here they come. Opelus. Grab the damashi.
Oh, shit. I
Damashi,
just
damashi. Here.
Bro,
Here,
oh,
grab
shit.
this pole. Grab
Oh,
this pole.
shit. Go for it. Oh, dude.
Where are they?
Justin.
Where'd they go?
Right, Justin put them down.
Where'd they go?
Oh, they went straight ahead of us. Right, just put my damashi away too.
School of opelu come swimming by. Oh, there they are. Oh, look, look, the kava kava chasing them. You don't have a popper or anything? Fuck.
Not set up.
Let's see if I can get this kava kava. That's what it looks like, bro. It looks like a kava kava. Eating rock.
Oh. Malolo.
Yeah, and there's stuff. Okay, maybe you should bring out the whip. If you whip right now, there should be.
Has to be something, huh? So no luck, guys. We didn't catch anything on this side. But hey, I caught that one fish. He caught a couple of pelu, and he almost hit me in my face with his elbow. But anyways, yeah, we're probably gonna start up and get to a different spot. Check it out. I got my Mark White lure on this little whip. I'm gonna troll it. You know why? Why not? Got the plug and start plugging out here. I seen something big jump, kind of close to my plug. Yes, boy. I missed the set, but at least he got something. He caught something off the minnow.
I don't know.
What is that?
Tell me it's another slimer. Slimer.
Oh, it's bigger. It's bigger than mine. Hey, yeah. Hey.
Slimer.
Slimer. Not grimer, slimer.
I mean, he kind of looks like a slimer.
Should hold him up to the cam bam. Wait, sorry. Nice.
His teeth. Kiss him.
Sick one.
Bye, Slimer. And this is why I call him Slimer.
Ooh, yeah, my favorite. Raja. At least he caught something. Hey, a fish is a fish.
I think we might have a papillo.
Hey, hey,
Not a big one though, but hey,
something.
Maybe an
Bro, that was an uku.
no, a Slimer.
Not a slimer.
I hate you.
Oh, Doza.
You keep getting bigger.
Oh,
Damn Slimers.
Doza. Slimer. Doza. Yeah, you. Slimer. Oh, there you go. Yes.
Tired of these Slimers.
That was action. That was action. Yes, mana.
Oh, is that the color I'm looking for? No, it's just not hiding how I want it to. There's just no way. No way.
What do you think it is?
Puffer!
I just seen him, dude. I just seen.
I hate you! It's your human eyeball!
Yeah.
Don't pop the boat!
Nothing with fins should be able to look at me like that.
Like, I know you bite fingers and shit too, bro. Like, I just want you to go back. Oh, don't spit at me. Maybe the bottom. Oh, don't.
That's the hook. That's like right on the tongue.
Right on his tongue.
There we go. Bye-bye. Okay, we moved to a different spot. I gotta make the most out of this battery that I got left, guys. So we're gonna send out this baby minnow straight to the bottom. We're not in yet. Hey, at least we got action though for the vlog, you know, for you guys, for the boys, for the girls. The vlog is not over. We are just good with that spot that we were at. And we're gonna start making our way to a different spot. Hey, we didn't get skunked today. I caught, what, one slimer? We call it slimers. Mana caught some good amount of fish. Yeah, guys, let's go. Go check out that other spot. Jumped him in, grabbed the crab. Yee. Look up. Seeing your bait get hit is still kind of fun. Watch out, one more time, on a hope.
Not out here. We have flounder, but they just don't have enough meat on them. They're too skinny.
Where are you, Mr. Wale? Yep, gone. They don't want anything to do with us. Humans. Get away from me, human. Come on, one more time. Photo boys. Hook it up, Wale. If somebody brought you and paid a whale, you'd eat them?
No.
What? You wouldn't eat whale?
No.
What about turtle? You'd eat turtle?
Yeah.
I would eat whale. Okay, whales, make sure you stay about 200 feet away from us, okay? My battery died on my camera, so I gotta do the iPhone action. But with that being said, we're gonna send out the crab one more time. Drop out some baits right now. One last time, then we'll head back. Oh, Jay, don't drop your phone. You kinda need them. Nah, your boy ain't that stupid. I may be dumb, but it ain't stupid. Oh! Let's go, bro.
Ooh, this feels decent.
Yeah, see, at least you got that one last one.
Whatever this is feels decent and it doesn't feel like a hoggy. Goatfish or papillo?
Okay, let's see what you got.
Topic.
Shoot. I bet one koal. With a hoggy.
Slimer!
Oh, it's a dozer. What is that?
Lizardfish!
Our lizardfish, yes.
Don't bite me either.
Oh wait, check. Not try. Yeah. Those are on there.
Bye,
Animal
Slimer.
lizardfish. Aloha. Slimer.
Bruh, something ate the lizardfish.
Dude. I don't ever remember seeing it be like orange and stuff. Hey, action, boy! Hey, at least we stayed for that last one. What the crap? Major.
And crazy color too. Hey, maybe that's the good bait this one.
Right, guys, I guess we're staying a little bit more. The fish is biting, so you might as well stay. All right, come on. Let's go. My turn.
Alright.
Oh.
Dre on the damashi. Looks like a pretty nice one. Not pulling back.
And out of two goalies.
Ooh.
Two goalies.
That is the baits right there. You want to talk about? Oh, the double.
Let's go! We finally caught a fish, guys! Oh, the first time got two.
See, you always gotta believe in the last chance.
Last troll,
Last
chance.
trolls of the day. You gotta do it, guys. No can miss that one.
I'm gonna troll that.
And also, I got these down on bait. We're in about 100-foot depth water. Pull one of these bad boys off, put it on a nice size hook. Hoping to pick up an uku, but we'll see.
Hello!
Dre's last catches. One more. On a hole. Three this time. Guys, looks like we on the goats today. See, you would have went home half dozen goat fish if you in life, but
I think I might take this some home. Oh, we know what cool that is.
at the car, they're fresh as could be. Throw if you want them. Throw. Okay.
Troll you.
Then hold it.
Let's go. Sent it on the Civic. Right, I had fun. That was action. Oh, didn't really catch much, but we did actually catch a good amount.
Got a tan.
Bro, major time. But yeah, at least he got some opelus. You know, we got a lot of goldfish. Bro, that was fun. This is fun being
Most
out there.
important thing to remember, guys: no hook in the water, no catch fish.
Sometimes a lot of people spend a lot of their time with their hooks out of the water more than they have their hooks in the water. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, tell us what we should do different or what we should do, and go ahead and hit that notification bell, okay, so you know when I post another video. Soup. Right on, guys. Mahalo for watching. Aloha. And until next time, shoot.